Hey tool enthusiasts! Ever found yourself in the middle of a project, wrestling with an underpowered angle grinder? Or maybe you've experienced that frustrating moment when your tool gives up right when you need it most. Whether you're a professional contractor or a passionate DIYer, finding the perfect angle grinder can be overwhelming. Today, I'm going to share my hands-on experience with 7 of the best angle grinders on the market, ranked from good to absolutely outstanding. 7. Craftsman Small Angle Grinder. Let's start with the Craftsman Small Angle Grinder, a tool that's become increasingly popular among DIY enthusiasts. After spending several weeks testing this 7-amp powerhouse, I can confidently say it's a solid entry-level choice. The moment you pick it up, you'll notice the thoughtful ergonomic design. The contoured handle fits naturally in your grip, reducing fatigue during those longer projects. During my testing, I put this grinder through its paces on various materials. The 11,000 RPM motor handled metal cutting tasks admirably, though you might notice slight power limitations on thicker materials. What really impressed me was the tool-free guard adjustment system, a feature that saved countless minutes when switching between different applications. One aspect that stands out is the quick change wheel release mechanism. Gone are the days of fumbling with wrenches. This system makes disc changes a breeze. The spindle lock is responsive and reliable, though you'll want to ensure it's fully engaged before attempting any wheel changes. The grinder's performance in dust-heavy environments was noteworthy. While it lacks a dedicated dust management system, the sealed switch design effectively prevents debris infiltration. I tested it extensively on rusty metal surfaces and concrete, and the tool maintained consistent performance without any internal contamination issues. 6. DEWALT Angle Grinder. Moving up our list, the DEWALT Angle Grinder showcases why this brand maintains its reputation for professional-grade tools. The 11-amp motor is a beast, delivering consistent power that makes this tool a reliable companion for demanding jobs. During my testing period, I subjected it to various challenging tasks, from cutting thick metal pipes to grinding concrete surfaces. The dust ejection system on this model is particularly impressive. After cutting through several metal sheets and grinding numerous welds, I inspected the internal components and found minimal dust accumulation. This feature significantly extends the tool's lifespan and maintains consistent performance over time. One of my favorite features is the one-touch guard adjustment system. During complex projects requiring different cutting angles, this tool-free system proved invaluable. The guard stays firmly in position once set, providing consistent protection without any unexpected movement. The 3-position side handle deserves special mention. During overhead work, I could easily adjust the handle position to maintain optimal control and reduce arm fatigue. The anti-vibration technology works effectively, making this grinder comfortable to use even during extended periods. Power management is another area where this grinder excels. The soft start feature prevents that initial jerking motion common in less sophisticated tools, while the constant speed control maintains RPM under load. This consistency is crucial when making precise cuts or working with delicate materials. 5. DEWALT DCG04Z Max. The transition to cordless tools often comes with performance compromises, but the DEWALT DCG04Z proves that freedom from cords doesn't mean sacrificing power. This 20V Max grinder delivers an impressive 8,000 RPM, and during my testing, it handled most tasks with the authority of a corded tool. Battery life is always a crucial factor in cordless tools, and this model manages it well. During my testing, I could complete multiple cutting and grinding sessions on a single charge. The power-to-weight ratio is excellent, making it particularly suitable for overhead work or tasks in confined spaces. The quick change wheel release system is a standout feature. I timed several wheel changes and consistently completed them in under 30 seconds, a significant improvement over traditional systems. The tool-free guard adjustment is equally impressive, allowing quick transitions between cutting and grinding applications. Safety features are well implemented on this model. The brake system stops the wheel rapidly when power is released, reducing the risk of accidents. The 2-stage trigger switch prevents accidental activation, while the anti-kickback protection system provided peace of mind during aggressive cutting tasks. One aspect I particularly appreciated was the tool's balance. The battery placement serves as a counterweight, making the grinder feel natural and controlled during use. The rubber-coated grip remains comfortable even during extended use, though it can become slightly slippery when wet. For Craftsman V20 Angle Grinder. The Craftsman V20 represents a significant evolution in the company's cordless lineup. After extensive testing across multiple job sites, I can confirm this tool delivers exceptional value. The 8,500 RPM motor provides impressive cutting power, and the brushless technology ensures consistent performance throughout the battery cycle. What really caught my attention was the intelligent power management system. During heavy-duty cutting tasks, the tool automatically adjusts power output to prevent stalling while maximizing battery efficiency. I ran this grinder through a series of demanding tests, including cutting through half-an-inch rebar and grinding weathered concrete, and it handled everything admirably. The ergonomics deserve special praise. The paddle switch design allows for natural grip positions, and the 3-position side handle accommodates both right and left-handed users comfortably. During overhead work, the tool's balanced weight distribution became particularly apparent, reducing arm fatigue significantly. Battery life exceeded my expectations. On a single 4.0Ah battery, I completed multiple cutting sessions and surface preparation tasks. The battery gauge is clearly visible, eliminating any surprise power losses mid-task. The tool's compatibility with the entire V20 system makes it an excellent addition for those already invested in the Craftsman ecosystem. 3. SKIL PWR Core 20. The SKIL PWR Core 20 represents a perfect blend of innovation and practical functionality. The brushless motor technology delivers exceptional efficiency, and during my testing, it consistently matched the performance of higher-priced competitors. The digital motor control system provides precise speed regulation, maintaining optimal RPM even under heavy loads. The PWR Assist charging system is a game-changer for professionals working on time-sensitive projects. During my testing, I could achieve an 80% charge in just 30 minutes, significantly reducing downtime. The battery's thermal management system prevented overheating during extended use, maintaining consistent power output throughout the workday. One feature that particularly impressed me was the variable speed control. When working with different materials, from hardened steel to softer metals, the ability to adjust speed made a noticeable difference in cut quality and wheel life. The electronic brake system stops the wheel in under 2 seconds, a safety feature that proved invaluable in fast-paced work environments. The grinder's dust management system deserves special mention. After several hours of aggressive grinding on rusty metal surfaces, internal components showed minimal dust accumulation. The sealed switch design and protected vents effectively prevent debris infiltration while maintaining optimal cooling. The ergonomic design includes thoughtful details like the rubberized grip zones and perfectly balanced weight distribution. During extended testing sessions, these features significantly reduced operator fatigue, allowing for longer working periods without compromising precision. 2. Makita XAG04Z 18VLXT. The Makita XAG04Z showcases why this brand remains a favorite among professionals. The automatic speed change technology is more than just marketing. During testing, it noticeably adjusted power delivery based on load, preventing stalls while optimizing battery life. The brushless motor delivers exceptional torque, matching corded performance in most applications. The soft start feature deserves special attention. Unlike some competitors that jerk to life, this grinder ramps up smoothly, providing better control and reducing the risk of workpiece damage. The anti-restart protection prevented any unexpected startups after battery changes, a crucial safety feature in professional environments. During extended cutting sessions, the tool's advanced cooling system maintained optimal operating temperature. The strategic vent placement and efficient motor design prevented the common issue of overheating, even during demanding applications like continuous concrete grinding. The ergonomics reflect Makita's attention to detail. The grip circumference and switch placement feel natural, while the vibration dampening system effectively reduces operator fatigue. I particularly appreciated the toolless wheel change system, which proved both quick and secure during numerous accessory changes. The LXT battery platform showed impressive endurance. During a full day of testing, including metal cutting, weld grinding, and surface preparation, a single 5.0Ah battery provided consistent power without requiring a charge. The battery gauge accuracy helped plan work sessions effectively. 1. BOSCH GWX18V13CN PROFACTOR. The BOSCH PROFACTOR sets a new standard in cordless angle grinder technology. The Metabo brushless system isn't just marketing hype, it delivers corded-level performance consistently. During extensive testing across various materials and applications, this tool outperformed every other cordless grinder I've used. The PROCORE18V battery system is a technological marvel. Even during aggressive cutting of thick steel plates and extended grinding sessions, power output remained consistent. The battery management system provides real-time feedback through the integrated user interface, allowing for optimal work planning and performance monitoring. The X-Lock mount system revolutionizes accessory changes. Traditional threaded mounts typically require 15 to 20 seconds for wheel changes. With X-Lock, I consistently completed changes in under 5 seconds. The audible click confirmation ensures secure attachment, eliminating any uncertainty during high-speed operation. The variable speed settings proved invaluable across different applications. When cutting thin sheet metal, lower speeds prevented material warping, while maximum speed settings made quick work of thick steel sections. The electronic kickback control system intervened several times during testing, preventing potential accidents when the wheel encountered hidden material irregularities. There you have it, folks, our top 7 angle grinder tool. If you have any question, feel free to comment below.